Hello, welcome back to my channel or welcome to adventure. Today I'm going to show you Burj Khalifa. Those are the corridors in Burj Khalifa. And this is the room. This is the room. This is a mini bar, dining table, and then the working table. Then we go to the bedroom. Small chair, armchair, a bed. And check out the wardrobe. This is like a small room between bedroom and bathroom. There's another working table in front of the window. Here's a big bathtub with towels in front of the window and with double sinks. It's always good. Also the shower and the bathroom. The toilet is in a different room, so that's a great thing. And that's me. So this is the view outside. This is the private area. So beautiful, so you can see the whole fountain here happening. So beautiful. And this is Burj Khalifa. So Armani restaurant. This was a short tour. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so, and like, share, and comment below. Thank you for watching.